Hi, I'm Kim from HiGrade, and welcome to this tutorial for the grower feature. In this video, you will learn about the different cultivation features and how to use them. First, launch the HiGrade app. Tap the grower button. This feature will only work if you have verified your email address. To receive a harvest timing prediction, please send images of your plant's flowers using the HiGrade scope. Grab your HiGrade scope and make sure it's properly aligned over the rear-facing camera of your phone. Pick a flower you would like to test. Make contact between the flower and the HiGrade scope. Tap on the center of your screen to focus on the sample. Then, snap a photo. To diagnose a nutrient imbalance, the HiGrade app requires a clear image of your plant from 2 to 4 feet away without using the HiGrade scope. It is better to take the picture with white light, not yellow or purple. For assistance with pests and diseases, try to take images of the affected areas on your plant with and without the HiGrade scope. If you see signs of mold or pests, use the HiGrade scope to better capture them for an accurate analysis. As always, add a note as needed. You can also get assistance with other issues you may have, like determining plant sex, irrigation problems, and more. You will receive a notification with recommendations for optimal harvest timing or a diagnosis and recommendation for how to properly treat your plant.